Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today in this video we are going to be making taco salads. It's something that our family really likes to eat and it's a treat for us every time we get to eat it. And so the first part of this video I'm going to show you how to make the seasonings that we season our meat with. Oftentimes in America we'll buy these packets, and I've seen them in Indonesia as well, and they're sold in different stores. I know, let's see, Giant Express, I've seen them, and I think at like Hypermart and Carrefour. Let me show you up close a little bit. It's just a taco seasoning. This one is mild. And so I know that you can buy these pretty much anywhere, but today I'm going to show you that if you don't have this packet, how you can make your own meat seasoning, and it's really simple. They're mostly ingredients that you probably already have on hand. So that's going to be the first part of this video, and then after we get that, then we'll put everything together. So let's get started. Let me show you what seasonings we're going to need. All right guys, this is the lineup of all of our seasonings. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different seasonings that we're gonna put in this bowl to make our taco seasoning. So we're gonna start with 1 tablespoon of chili powder. There's 1 tablespoon. Next we have garlic powder here, and we're using 1/4 teaspoon. Next is onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Next we have crushed red peppers, also 1/4 teaspoon. Next, 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano. I used a lot of oregano when we did the eggplant pizza. If you guys missed that video, you might wanna check that one out. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. I guess I'm not too exact because I've got a little over. Next, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin. There's 1. That smells really good. Wow, that bowl's looking really colorful. Next, we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll put that right in the middle. And last, this is our final ingredient. We're using 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And we'll put that one over here in the corner. So we'll mix this up and then we'll add it to our meat. Now that we have our seasonings ready, we're gonna brown our meat. So I'm adding a little bit of oil to our pan, and today I'm going to be using the ground beef. So let's brown that. All right, our beef looks nice and brown, so we're going to drain off the fat. Let's turn our stove back on to low. Now we're going to add 3/4 cups of water. Here's a 1/2 cup and 1/4 cup. These are our seasonings that we made earlier, so let's mix them together. Now let's sprinkle our seasonings all over our meat. Mix our meat all over real good, and we're gonna let this simmer for about 5 minutes or until the water has been soaked up. All right guys, our meat looks really good, so we're going to turn the heat off and set it aside, and we're gonna get the rest of our salad fixings ready. To clean our vegetables like lettuce and tomatoes, I fill partially a bowl with water, and then in the bowl I add some vinegar, and then we'll take our tomatoes and we'll let them soak for about 10 minutes. And then for the lettuce, we're going to first slice it how we want it, and I'm going to kind of like shred it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this whole head of lettuce, and after I get all of this cut up, then we'll let that sit in the water as well for about 10 minutes. While we're waiting for our lettuce and tomatoes to clean, we're going to chop up our onions and our limes, and this is gonna be so good for our taco salad. All right, our limes and our onions are chopped up, and I can smell that these are super strong. So here's a little tip. When you're cutting up onions, if you wear contact lenses, wear them because they act like a shield. So if I'm ever cutting up onions and I have my glasses on, it is so hard for me. I have to look away so many times, but like today I have my contact lenses in and no problem. It's time to take our lettuce and our tomatoes out. This little guy has been a saver. This is a salad spinner. Oxo, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'll put a link in the description of the video so that you can go check this out for yourself because it is a lifesaver. All you do is you put your lettuce in here and then spin it. And I'm gonna show you how much liquid actually comes out. And I'm trying to drip out like as much water as I can. All right, now we're gonna put it in our salad spinner, and then you just push it down. Give it a couple turns. Then it has this little button here to stop it if you want to. All right, that was just one time. And let's see how much water we got out. That is a lot of water in just one spin. Let's see if we get any more out. Not so much the second time, just a tiny bit. I just really love using this salad spinner. It has been so helpful. And you can even use it as a bowl, like you can put your salad in here and serve it like that. Or what I like to do is store it in the refrigerator. You can actually push this down and then lock it in place so the handle's not sticking up. And you can put this whole thing in the refrigerator and keep it cool till you're ready to use it, which is what we're gonna do right now. All right, this is the lineup tonight. We have our lettuce and our meat. Then we also have olives, chopped up onions, diced tomatoes, shredded cheese, lime, there's some salsa, and Tabasco sauce. Alright guys, in the comments below, let us know whose salad looks the tastiest. Okay, you guys, Seth's, take a look. Does it look yummy? Alright, Sarah.
Of course it does.
Okay.
Gorgeous.
Nice.
All right, here we go, guys. Look at that. Doesn't that look good?
Seth's full of onions, Sarah's
Gorgeous.
little and petite, and Marty's packed full of everything, including Tabasco sauce.
Yep, full of goodness.
And cheese and olives.
So there's other things that we like to put on our taco salads. It's just that I don't have them today, like
Ketchup.
sour cream, guacamole, and
Ketchup.
cilantro.
Cilantro.
Cilantro is so good, but we didn't have that available to us. But
No.
these are delicious. Hey, we haven't tried them.
No.
Okay, they're gonna try their salads. I forgot. Good?
Good.
How's the meat with homemade seasoning?
It's good.
Good.
All right guys, that's gonna do it for our video today. Please share this with your friends, like it, and please don't forget to tell us who wins this challenge today. Hope you guys have a great day and keep smiling.
Choose mine, guys.